Good evening to you all.
Good evening, madam.
Let's wait another 3 minutes or 2 minutes to let others join. Okay, now. Okay, good evening once again. Now we'll start the session. Last day we have discussed the critical path, how to construct the PTM network in the critical path, finding the critical path and the total completion of completion time. Also, we have discussed the flow of the activities, the amount of delay taken uh, without affecting the total entire project is called total float. Also discuss the probability of the completing project within the certain days. So according to this activity, uh, before what is the probability if the project will be completed before 60 days and before 45 days. Then other one is if the manager wants 0.99 probability. If the manager wants 0.99 probability of completing the project on a certain date, how far ahead of the scheduled date should he begin working on the project? So the probability is given. We have to find out with this probability or to achieve this probability, what would be the ideal date. So now earlier examples we have discussed questions we have discussed. If the day is given, then what will be the probability? Only there is a difference. Okay, this activity one we have done. So this is the diagram, network diagram for this activity. Then accordingly, this is the critical path activities and a float. For every float, we discussed what is the last LST, latest start time of the head event, EST of the tail event, NT. Then accordingly, this chart we have discussed. You can again compare whether the activities which are on the critical path has only 0. That means those cannot be make any delay. They cannot be delayed. So if this we want to make any delay, that will affect the entire project. At the same time, other activities, non-critical path activities, can be delayed without 21 days without affecting the entire project. So now like this the interpretation can be given. So now earlier then to address the probability, we discussed when we want to find the probability for the given date, that is the mu is not, that is calculated from our network diagram. So that is mu or mean is the total completion day. Sigma, according to this activity, we have to calculate, and this X is the record days. Then Z. So we have to convert with that given 51 in this activity. given a mu, and with the standard deviation, if you applying the record date and get the z value, then only the z value table will be given to you. Through that, the probability is dispersed there. Then we can get to the suitable z value. Then variance also, you know that variance is calculated by the following equation. Then this b pessimistic time minus optimistic time, then divided by 6, then we'll do the square. So then we will get the value. For this only we have to consider the activities which are on the critical path. So no need to consider other variation for the other non-critical path activities. Right, then we have to get the total sum of the variance for each critical path activities. According to this activity, 24.5 is the variance. Then we want to apply in the z table to get the z value. Only we need to have the standard deviation. Then square root of the variance is called standard deviation. Then that is 4.95. Then with that, we discussed. Then again I sent another table. I only observed here up to 2 point the probability is there. But you know, this value, the last value should be 5, approaching to 5, because only one portion is here depicted. Other portion, that is sure, we know that is a 0.5. So up to the 5 only, one side of the diagram only, a normal distribution curve only, the probability will be given. Right, now this according to this one, this is the at most up to 3, so 4.990, so approximately 0.5. So only one part here. Always this diagram shows you here the value, z value. If we convert using this given formula, the x bar will be according to our activity 51. That is a mu. So if you convert the mu given in the according to the critical path, and apply this standard deviation, and we'll get the z value. Z table, in the z table, the midpoint is the 0. From the 0, the value, the probability value will be dispersed. So from the value only, do not take from the 0. If you want to know the region for the probability for this area, we have to directly cannot from here, not here, only from 0. Then that is area. So we can find this area, then we can subtract this area, like that we can do. So that only basically you should have. Right, now probability we just done. So remember, in other activities also you will send that here just right. For example, in this activity, what is the probability about if the project is completed before 60? So now we can simply no, we can draw this simply. Sorry. So, why I am repeating? Sometime if you have some doubt, also sometime if anybody absent to the picture. So this is not nice, but anyway you draw well. So with the mouse it is difficult. So now according to the activity, we know that this is 51. No, this is 51. Only we know before 60. So definitely the 6 is this side. 51, so 60. So then we have to find out the probability for this region. That's what we have discussed last time, no, for this region. So we know that in the z value, this point, the z value, this point in the z value, that is 0. If you convert in the formula, then we get the z value 1.82 plus. So from 0, from here this number is 0. Then from 0, 1 plus points show this region. If we get the minus value for the z, that will show this region. No? Right. So that is you have to consider. So the minus only the indication, this side or that side. So no any other value. Now according to this plus 1.82, so definitely see this is, since it is the 60. So now for this 60, this is 60. Now for this 60, the z value at this point, the what is the z value? That is 1.82 in the z table. So for that only we have to calculate for the probability is given for this region. So according to this according to the diagram, we may find for the 1.82 directly from 0 to this, since directly 0 to this space, so that is 4656. Then we know we want to have the probability for the overall. So here this part 0.5, then we have to plus it. We have to take plus, then this part. So this part also, that is what we are understood. Then this part, that is uniquely, we know that that is 0.5. So 0.5 plus for this region, we know that 4656. Then altogether, if the project complete before 60 days, then 96.56 percentage. So now you know this, last time also we clearly discussed. Likewise, we will go to the final one. Yeah, you have clearly identified this for this activity also. What the probability before 45? Let me explain again, because we might have some doubt in this. Then in the 45, it means we know if this is the diagram in normal distribution curve. Since it's related with the probability, it's a normal distribution curve. How much is this? This is the base. So probability, how far it is deviated. That is the point we want to find out. So this is the 51. Then if it is 45, definitely this side, no? So this is 45, assume. This side will be 45. Then before 45, not it. Not after. If it is after this area. So according to our question, what is the probability of completing the project before 45? Before 45, maybe 45, maybe 44, like this. Maybe 40. So we have to find out the probability for this area only. For this area only, we want to find out the probability. But we know that according to the Z value, based on the knowledge, so we want to have the Z value probability from this 0 region to this side, from this 0 region to this side. So only we may be able to have the probability for only for this area. If it is 55, we know 51, then we want to find the probability for this area, but directly we cannot. We only have to be able to find out the probability for this area, because the Z value is dispersed from the 0 value. So then if we convert this 55, 45 with the standard deviation given already calculated 495, then if we apply this, then we will have the Z value is minus 1.21. You might have, somebody might have the answer, some doubt. Why then this minus, where, but we want to have with this minus. Nothing to do, only this minus mean that is indication that this side, that means the left side, because lesser than 51, so that's only. So then if we make in the Z table, so this is 0. If it is making in this value, so this value will be definitely, this value is 0. Now we want to find out the probability 1.21. So then this place is 1.21. If the time is 45, so this place is 1.21. So for this point, up to this point, what is the probability? Then only we have to move. Okay. For this one, if you see your probability, then you will get directly in the Z table 1.21. If you see this 1 Z and 21, then you will get this value in the from the probability chart of the normal distribution curve. Then That 3869 is the value for this region. The value for this region, only for this region. But we want to know this region. So how can we find out? We know that this part is overall, that one side part is 0.5. So 0.5. So from the 0.5, if we subtract this amount, definitely we will have this one. So that is what we have done. Accordingly, the 0.1131 is the probability for if the project complete before 45. Because it is, we know that only 51 days is the very utmost time, no? So then, if work hard, if any happens, then anyhow, this is the probability, very less probability if the project for completing the project. Right, now I come to the, because if I repeat it again only, I can start with the other one. Right, now what is the probability if the project end with the 99 percentage, that means 0.999, this one. So what is the probability if the project, if the project end with the completed with the probability of 0.99? So here, if the 4 digits are there, you can just put another 2 digits. So that means 9990. So that's why 99 percentage. Okay, now the probability is given. So if we draw the normal distribution curve like this, so it's a thing. So this is right. This is 51. We know that. Now 99 probability is given. So if the 99, definitely we know this part, this half part 0.5. No, that is we know this half part 0.5. Right. Only this part 0.9. Then now probability is given. So if we apply the z value table, z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma, then now probability is given, then we have to find out other thing, no? Okay, now this is 0, this probability is 0.5. That means 0.5000, maybe 4 digits, right? Then what will be the remaining of the probability if the 99? So remaining probability is, if we subtract this 5, how much? 49, no? So then another part is not the one, only 0.49. Zero point 0.49, right? Again, if you want to make it simple, you just add to 0, because the probability is given 4 digits, no? Simply you may not confusing, right? Now this part is 0.5, we know this part. Then if the 99 probability, then so for some value to some value, the remaining is 0.49. So at this point, what will be the z value? So if we calculate the z value, then we can find out the other things. No, now what is the z value for probability of 0.49994900? Then you have to find this one from your table. You have to find out where the 4900 lies. Okay, now let's move. Then if you Can you identify? Where 4990 lies? Here 2 3 at which value this 0 nearly 0.49 lies, I think here, no, this value, that means 2.3, then 3, so we can say 2.33, no, 2.33 at this point. So if we know the z value, then we can directly apply and find the date, no. Okay, now 0.5 that part, then remaining part 0.4900, then where 49 lies, then this place at this 2.33 z value, the probability lies. Then now we'll move to that. Okay, excuse me. Okay, now you see here, this is 0.5, so now the z value is 2.33. So already okay, 2.32 it's taken, nearest 4.999, it doesn't matter. Then 2.23, now z value is equal to, here z value is equal to x minus 51 minus 49. So only we need this x. No, what is the date? If the probability is given, what is the date? So now we know that x is only need. Then now for the z value, we can apply whatever we found. So 2.32, 2.33 also will not much make no any harm. Okay. Now uh, then x minus 51 like this. Then you just convert this cross multiplication x here. Then you multiply 2.32 by this one. Then you will get this value. Then x is now minus 51. Change after the equation equality with the plus, then 51. So x is equal to 62.484 days. So even after the decimal, even 0, 1 or any other hour, we have to consider as one full day. So then approximately 63 days. So if in other words, if the probability is, what is the probability if the project is completed before 63 days, then if we calculate, apply this 63, then we will get the probability 0.99. Now 0.99 given, so if the probability is 0.99, what is the date? So the only just apply finding the probability and getting the z value, then apply the z value and simply you will get the x, that means the record date for this activity. Are you clear? Let's move to the other activity. I couldn't find the chat. Excuse me, please. Now I couldn't find a chat box. That means chat is there, but message it is. If you have any doubt, please talk to me. We'll go to the activity 5.2. Right. Now I have asked you to do this activity. Only one or two have responded to me. Then I should wish them. I don't know, others also might do, but I don't know why you are not sharing with the group. If you share through the group, others also will be getting benefit. So that is only my purpose. And I think most of them you are not sharing your answers. You are keeping with you. Please disseminate your knowledge. If anybody able to draw the diagrams, and I think everybody can. But sometime if you have some doubt, then if you when you sharing you answer through the group, then others also might see, and they can compare their answer with each other. Then there may be a sharing knowledge. That is only my purpose. I don't know why what you are thinking. uh, that is only my very pure and genuine thing. But really, I feel very worried. I don't know why the students are not taking part. I don't know, you are not. I feel you are not interested in this subject. Otherwise, only a few names. I remember some few names only. They are sending the answer. Even they also send the answer to my personal number. But it's better if you share your answer in the group. So then everybody will be getting benefit. Okay, now I am not much worrying about that one. If you like, you may share. Right. Now, I have put the answer. Then I think Safia or somebody, Safia, no, send the answer for this one. Afra also sent. Right. Now, this activity, you know that we have to. These are the questions. Only I will just touch. Then I will go to the next one. So, per network diagram, critical path, very traditional questions. What is the probability of completing the project between 15 and 23 weeks? And then again, another questions, if the marketing manager does not complete this sales promotional campaign before 60 weeks, a penalty will be imposed. Then find the probability that the manager has to pay the penalty. Right. These are the questions. Right. I have already sent this one along with the Safia's answer. Then the two way you may draw even this way also. That's what I have sent this one. So first you have to calculate. Right. Excuse me 1 minute, please. Okay. The first questions, first you have to calculate the using the formula a plus 4m minus not minus plus b divided by 6. No, then that is the actual activity time estimate, expected average time estimate. Then when you draw the network diagram, so according to the when you see the immediate uh, precedences activity, then you will you can draw this network diagram. It's a very simple diagram. So no any dummy, the need of dummy also not here. So here also, if you like, you may practice with this also. That's what I am showing here. So you may put the square top of this in the square like this. Sorry. So every box you may even put the like this. Otherwise, if sometime spaces are not enough, even you can divide within this knot within this into three pieces. Then first piece will be the event number, completion number. Then first part will be the EST, second one LST. That's all. So that's the thing I want to explain from this one. Right. After that, according to this activity, C, J, K, L as the activity total completion time. I think others also did this. Then in other way also second I have drawn the second way also, like earlier Safia sent this answer to you to me. Then I have shared to you the group. Then according to this, this is the critical part. That is the 19 weeks. Then for total float, you only applying the now only applying. No, there's no any more technique. Only applying the formulas. Here LST of the head event, EST of the tail event. No, then minus duration of the activity. So according to this one, activity B. So the B is here. So for the B, this will be the head event. This will be the tail event. Then first part, late part is the LST. So LST of the tail event, then ES6 that is 6, then EST of the tail event that is 0, duration of the activity is 2, then if you get 4 weeks. So when you after, even though you are by already B needs only 2 weeks, but another 4 weeks B can be delayed. That will not affect the project completion time. Project completion time, then that will be 19 weeks. That's no problem. No any delay, any impact. But you may delay B by another 4 weeks. So that is the interpretation. Likewise, for the E activity, then where's the E activity, then this also like this, last event, LST of the head event, then EST of the tail event, then 7 to minus activity of the time is 4, then 1 week only you may delay of the E activity, because only CJ KL, no, this is this way, CJ KL. So this is the critical part. So then other activities can be delayed up to this point. But again, J activity also given to you. That is a J is here. So this is, we must know that this is in the critical path. No, you know, this is in the critical path. So however, through the calculation only, we can identify the LST of the head event, EST of the tail event. So 12 minus 2 minus 10, then that is 0. So you cannot make any delay in the J. So that is the critical part. Other one also, you know that what is the probability 50 if the project is completed between 15 and 23. You see 15 and 23. So for this one, we have to get the standard deviation. So for the variance calculation, we know this formula B minus A divided by 6 squared. Then only for the variance for the C, J, K, L was calculated here using this formula. Then the answer is this one. So sigma is standard deviation is 9. The variance is 9. So standard deviation is root of 9, that is 3. I think you also have done, then you may compare your answer. So those who did not do, then you can follow this one. Right. One minute, please. Right. Now, if this activity, what is the probability if the project finish between 15 and 23? So then we want to know up to this point 15. So it is there, but anyway I show you. Right here the midpoint is 19. We know that, no, total completion time, the mean value is 19. So that is there. The diagram answer is I have next. Right now we want to show this region, no, these two region 15 and 23. So we want to find out the z value for example, now if it is 53, 15, then this is 23. Now we want to find out the z for the 15 here, this value, and what is the z value for this 23. At this value we have to find out. Then we have to find out separately, find out the probability for this region and probability for this region. Then we have to add these two. No, that is important to understand. Right. So then up to this is for the 15 here. Now for the 15, what is the probability area? Then first we have to find out this area's probability. Then that is here, z value is x minus x bar or mu divided by standard deviation. So record date is 15. So x bar or mu is 19 divided by the 3. Earlier we have 3 is the standard deviation, then minus 1.388. So this minus 1.388 minus only the indication this side. So 1.3, not 388, not 1.333. So for the 1.33, if you see your chart, for the 1.33, you will get 0.4082. So now this is the probability value. So for this value, this 0.4082. So that is there. No, that is shown here. Likewise, other value for 23 also, the probability only it is dispersed from this probability. That's what. So here again 23, then minus 19, then 3, then you will get plus 1.33, again 1.33. Sometime if it is 24, you will get the different, no? So here's fortunately 1.13. So then 1.33, then no need to again see, the answer is for the 1.33, 0.4082. Then we have to add this 0.82 and this 0.4082, then altogether, then that is the probability for 8164. So 81.666. Then other question is, if the project is not completed before 20 weeks, then the penalty should be imposed to the project on the project manager. So very clearly I didn't understand this one. So then if the project not complete before 20, so then that means before 20 he has to complete, no? So this is this area before 20, the maybe that means must be completed. But if not complete, that means if he able to after 20 days, 20 weeks, then there will be a penalty. No, then because for the construction, mainly larger construction project, when they are handing over their completed project, then there are so many formalities in which they ask the record date. So even in our university also, there are so many project building, construction of the hostel building, canteen, faculties, auditorium, like that. So then they should complete. Otherwise, there will be a penalty for them. So then what is the probability if the project manager has to pay the penalty? So for this area, so now that simply for this area we have to find out. So then in this case, If it is 20, up to this area, we had to find out the penalty fees. Then for this one, we only know that from 0 to here only, 19 to 20. For this space, only we know the probability. So if we apply in the values that z is equal to x minus x bar or mu divided by 3, then that is 3, 0 point. Then for the 0.333, then you will get the, if you apply this set value 0.333, you will get the probability 1293. So this 1293 value only for this area. That is, you know that. So if we subtract from the 5, so this whole area we know 0.5. So from this 0.5, if you subtract this amount, then you will get the probability that is 0.3707. So that is the 37%. Okay. Now hope you understand all these things very clearly. Then I will move to the another type of network diagram question. Okay. Now, according to this activity, there is no per time estimate not given. Per time estimate not given. So, using the per time estimate, the calculated average time directly given. So that's the thing. So directly the time estimate given. A BBA student has identified the following list of activities and sequential requirements along with the expected time estimates for the activities related to the completion of his dissertation work. So for the final year, you also are supposed to give the final dissertation project. Then, but a wise student may divide the activities and may that mean plan what will be completed before what. Then immediate produces activity. Then after that, how many days you need it. Then you may also just through the network diagram you may control and plan and control the project. Right now, according to this activity, maybe title selection, no title selection, supervisor's approval. Then after that, chapter preparing the proposal, chapter one, like this data collection, literature review, data collection, no data analysis, a final draft. Like this, you may divide those activities. So that is a good plan. Then only with a definite date, you may also be able to give that one. Also, what activities should be performed but parallelly some can be. For example, if you want to get the title, that is one activity. Parallelly, to set the title, you may prepare your proposal also. So then, if you complete on title confirmation only, other activities, maybe literature review, data collection, and some other activities can be performed. Like that, you have to schedule the immediate predecessor activities. Then you don't worry about the per technique to in calculation of the time estimates. So that is also then easier you can find it. Now for this first one, we have to draw the network diagram. I think some you might draw the network diagram. Otherwise, now take 3 minutes. Now we have 10 minutes now. Please 3 minutes and draw the network diagram. If you wish, you may WhatsApp to me, not to me or not the group, or even to me now. Otherwise, I will after that I will discuss. Then you may compare your network diagram. So, what are the difficulties you are facing in the drawing the network diagram? Okay, you now take your time, on time. in the exam time, first you want to draw the diagram with the pencil. Then only some activities may be relocated in order to easily conveniently connect to other activities. Locate sometime relocation may be required. So then first you have to draw with the pencil. Then after that you just underline with the pen. Have you drawn the diagram? If anybody drawn the diagram, you may send me. Anybody, any special program have lectures after 4 o'clock? Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, then I will continue. That's what. Thank you. Thank you for those. Right. Thank you. Okay, then shall I continue? You, anybody, have you finished drawing? Okay, I got one. Okay, okay, then I will finish this activity. Right, somebody has sent the answer. Then I think others are trying. Okay, I am expecting anybody with answers. Not the answer, only the diagram. Then shall I throw for you? Okay, now we are wasting our time. Right. Now I will show for you. Then you may compare your answer with your one. The answer is there. I think first I can show the answer. So these are questions. Right. This will be the answer. You will be confused if you directly see, but just see at a glance of this diagram. The total completion is 80. Then there's a